So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this safety razor to unbox and show you. This one is silver in color, nothing on the top or the bottom. The side says these are cruelty-free and vegan beauty products. So they're an advocator of zero waste living. All personal care products they make include this safety razor, would never be tested on animals. And double-edged safety razor. Looks like they have contact information on the bottom and then a little bit about their story to zero waste. So why a safety razor matters. Each day 6.3 billion metric tons of plastic waste endanger nature we live, polluting the earth and water. So this is a reusable safety razor. And so basically you don't got to buy all these plastic things. You'll have this one. So we'll open this on up. Never heard of these before, but all right. Oh, a little tab to pull it. Look at this. This is some presentation for you. So that's it for in the box. In here, it's like we have a few things. So we'll slide this on out. Look at that. Very nice. That's just cardboard. Oh, look at this. Scan me for an online manual of how to use. Look at this. Something else. And then these are pack of 5 double-edge blades, I believe. Yeah, so these are extra blades. Okay, so they give you those. Very nice. And then this is the actual razor. So there's apparently an instructional video that you can go see on how to use it. But yeah, this would basically glide across, would shave you without you having to buy all of those plastic razors all the time. So you would just get these blades, replace those once they got dull. Not as bad for the environment. Very, very cool. And it looks like this just screws off. Wow. All right. Well, that will do it for this reusable safety razor. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.